Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the radio settings on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap Factory Settings. In the factory settings, tap Radio. Tap Reset on the pop-up. Your radio settings will now be reset. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.